Welcome. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the steps to prevent your network from inviting you to newsletters on LinkedIn. If you've been feeling overwhelmed by the constant stream of newsletter invitations, you're in the right place. Let's simplify your LinkedIn experience so you can focus on what truly matters. First, grab your device and open the LinkedIn app. This is where your journey begins. Once the app is open, look for the Me icon located at the top left corner of your screen. This icon represents your profile and is the gateway to your account settings. Next, tap on the Me icon. A menu will appear, and from there, you'll want to navigate to Settings. This section is crucial as it contains all the controls you need to customize your LinkedIn experience. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find Data Privacy. Tap on this option to delve deeper into your privacy settings. Here, you'll see various options that allow you to manage how others interact with you on LinkedIn. Now, look for the section labeled Invitations from your network. This is where you can control what types of invitations you receive. Tap on it, and you'll be presented with several toggles that dictate your preferences. To stop receiving newsletter invitations specifically, locate the option that says Allow Newsletter Invitations. Simply toggle this option off. By doing this, you are effectively disabling any future newsletter invitations from your connections. After you've made this change, feel free to explore other settings if you'd like to customize further. When you're done, don't forget to click on Back at the top left corner to return to your main settings page. And there you have it. You've successfully adjusted your LinkedIn settings to prevent unwanted newsletter invitations from cluttering your notifications. By taking these simple steps, you can streamline your LinkedIn experience and focus more on networking and opportunities that truly matter. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found it valuable, please consider subscribing to our channel for more tips and tricks on optimizing your LinkedIn profile and enhancing your professional networking experience. Have a great day.